Imagine a world where every piece of technology you use is infused with intelligence. How will AI shape our future? Artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming integral to various sectors, revolutionizing how we interact with everyday technologies. From your smartphone's voice assistant to self-driving cars navigating city streets, AI is omnipresent. Furthermore, this technological wave is transforming job roles, creating new opportunities while rendering others obsolete. Industries are evolving, driven by AI's capabilities to analyze and automate. Clearly, AI is not just a tool of the future, it's reshaping our present. But what exactly is artificial intelligence? At its core, artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. This broad definition encompasses everything from basic automation to complex decision-making that mimics human thought. Diving deeper into AI, we encounter machine learning, often abbreviated as ML. Picture this: teaching a child how to recognize animals. You show them various pictures, and over time, they begin to identify and differentiate each animal. Machine learning works in a similar way. Algorithms are fed data, and over time, they learn and make decisions based on patterns they recognize. Then there's deep learning, a subset of machine learning, but with a twist. Imagine a student delving into books, not just to recognize animals, but to understand their behaviors, habitats, and relationships in the ecosystem. Deep learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to find intricate patterns and make even more complex decisions. With these definitions, we start to see how broad and deep the field of AI really is. How do programmers harness the power of AI? The journey begins with a solid grasp of algorithms and data, the bedrock upon which AI models are built. Algorithms dictate the behavior of AI systems, guiding them in learning from patterns and making decisions. Data, the fuel for these algorithms, needs to be vast, varied, and above all,